This product prevents one of the most severe and contagious disease that affects all split hoof animals, the foot and mouth disease, also the main cause of great losses affecting livestock breeders. Thanks to this vaccine, Aftogan 2ml, made by VECOL, thousands of livestock breeders have their dairy farms free of this terrible virus and qualified to export their products. But how is it possible to have here a fundamental solution to eradicate this disease? Allow us to show you all that VECOL has put into this product, Aftogan 2ml. Welcome to the new VECOL Level 3 Biosafety Agricultural Plant, the most updated production facility equipped with last generation technology. 3,174 square meters in construction area, a 4-floor building, a biosafety bubble, and an investment of approximately $7.5 million were required to build one of the most modern and safest biotechnical complexes in Latin America for the production of the vaccine against the foot and mouth disease. In the International 4 Biosafety Level System, our plant is classified in Agriculture Level 3, guaranteeing the containment of the foot and mouth disease virus. This is why their designs and infrastructure are very detailed and accurate. To achieve this objective, the structure is built in 4 floors. The basement conforms the first floor and is the personnel access area, which is done through automatic airtight closing sluice gates. In this area, you also find the critical support systems, which include a power substation, an electric generator, and a UPS system that guarantee permanent supply of electrical energy for the production, the control, and the security and containment systems in case of a power failure. Likewise, there are the purified water and steam generator and the wastewater treatment system. The production and control laboratories are on the second floor, both the open and the contained area. The third floor is conformed by the technical area. There is the heart of the ventilation system. Air circulates through its ducts until it reaches the high-efficiency filter banks for particle retention, known as the HEPA filters, made up by over 350 filters in parallel along the whole system. Finally, on the 4th floor, you find the beginning of the entire ventilation system, as well as the machine shop, the fans, and entry and extraction ducts. This structure provides the air for the plant and was designed to retain any virus or microparticle both in entry and extraction of the air. All of this industrial park is divided into 3 big blocks that make it completely effective. They are: the contain area is where the virus is produced. The control contain area is where the laboratories that determine the virus concentration and carry out innocuousness tests are located. The open surface area where the vaccine's concentration, purification, formulation, and packaging are managed. Double walls were built to avoid by all means that the foot and mouth disease virus escape to the exterior. These are separated by an empty space and Flexanoble, a waterproof propylene membrane that expands 4 times its size, guaranteeing this way the sealing of the areas in the event of telluric or floor movements. However, this is only part of the whole mechanism that makes the vaccine production really safe and of high quality. There are 5 fundamental aspects that VECOL has implemented as a maximum containment integral biosafety system, which transforms this mega plant into the best in its class. The foot and mouth disease virus moves in many ways. A very important part of this complex system is the air control. We have integrated the best technology by means of a totally automated system. The air required for the mega plant is taken from the atmosphere and pre-filtered before going through the first HEPA filters. Immediately, it is irrigated through the ventilation ducts to the different areas. Simultaneously, the gas exhausts in each place suck the air, therefore generating negative pressures that guarantee that every time that a laboratory door opens, the airflow goes to the inside, preventing the virus of coming out, and later on be sent to the net of filters that obstruct the exit of any virus or microparticle to the exterior. Another important containment factor is the sewage treatment system, where all the liquids from the contained area are sent after being used in the different processes and are subjected to 100 degrees centigrade temperatures for the purpose of decontaminating them and to guarantee that any virus present is eliminated. The personnel entrance and exit is carried out through special high-security sluices equipped with an automatic airtight closing system, where everyone must follow a strict procedure including a change of clothes to avoid the migration of the virus to the exterior. On departure, the personnel must take a shower, which is automatically controlled. The access system controls entrance and exit of each employee and forms part of the building's central system. This access control software is similar to the one used at some of the world's top security facilities. Fourth aspect is made up of the equipment and materials entrance and exit, where through border teams such as the pass-through booths and autoclaves, decontamination is guaranteed by means of highly dependable heat or chemical processes according to requirements. The electronic central system works as the brain of the plant, controlling and watching over the operation, guaranteeing one of the highest biosafety levels built in Latin America today. Now that you have seen where the vaccine against the foot and mouth disease is manufactured, with the highest quality standards and free of reactivity to non-capsid proteins, let's see how it is produced. The production begins in the open area, where BHK cells are transported in line until arriving to the contained area, where they are infected with the foot and mouth disease virus. The virus cultures are later transferred to the inactivation tanks. There they remain for 1 day and are later transferred to the quarantine tanks, where they remain for a period of about 10 days until verifying that the virus is totally inactive by means of innocuousness tests. Later, they are transported to the open area to be subjected to a concentration process. The vaccine is simultaneously purified, a stage in which non-capsid proteins are eliminated, guaranteeing 100% its effectiveness and dependability. 4 days later, they pass to their final formulation, preparation, and packaging stage. During the whole production process, the vaccine is subjected to rigorous and efficient quality controls, where our personnel minutely verify the product reliability. Because 75 million yearly doses are made in this mega plant, it is indispensable that all available vaccine for the domestic and international market be under good condition. And finally, strength and pureness tests take place, which guarantee the effectiveness and quality of the vaccine, the last stage in a process that takes around 5 or 6 months. As you can see, this product, Aftogan 2ml, is more than a vaccine. It is the result of more than 50 years of research, development, and technology placed in service of Colombia and the world, with life purposes that the VECOL family is committed to as a mission to promote the health, productivity to the agricultural sector, and well-being of mankind. VECOL, a frontline biotechnological and biosafety organization, because VECOL knows its field.